Goodbye. Here it goes. My Miata's going bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye, Miata. It was fun. I was going the wrong way. That way. That way. That's a good looking car. I always have seller remorse when I get rid of my cars. But I have another car to play with. There's no downtime. I have another project. And if you're wondering what it is, here's the big reveal. Whoopah! 350Z! How the heck did you trade a Miata for a 350Z, you're asking? Well, this one's a little rough. And it's a salvage title, but it runs good. Hopefully I don't have too many crazy issues with it. Seems like it runs okay. Oh, it's missing a bolt somewhere. That might have been for the cover or something. Yeah, I am now an owner of a 350Z. Can you believe it? A little boring, a little cliche, but this thing's going to a drift event real soon. As soon as I get a chance, we're going to rent a track or go to a drift event or something. If you're wondering why it was a salvage title, I'll show you. That right there. Someone smacked it pretty good. It looks like they replaced a bumper beam, but couldn't bolt it in all the way because where it mounts was smacked pretty good. But that's it right there. But it didn't get into the, looks like somebody jacked it from there or something, because it doesn't get into the frame rail or the suspension pickups, and the subframe's okay. So 350Z, son. I wish I could have got it on the lift to look at it, but oh well. It's got some kind of muffler shop Borla exhaust thinger majigger. Sounds okay. It's a little too loud. I was kind of hoping to be quiet. I'm gonna have a quiet drifter, but it's not crazy loud. It's not like straight pipe loud. It was red at one point. Now it's gray. See? There's red under there. The door handles don't work from the outside. Z car. AC doesn't work. He said the radio doesn't work. Wow, look at that fancy thing. I don't know why. Maybe the speakers are blown or something. That's something I'll look into. Close. I don't even know how to put these things into reverse. There we go. It's got an exhaust rattle. Engine light came on. And it stalls once in a while. It kind of feels like it's like a twin disc clutch or something. It rattles and it catches pretty hard. I'd like to know what kind of clutch is in there, but it runs and drives. Yeah, it's a little loud. Definitely got some exhaust freaking rattly happening. $350Z. A little dirty. No biggie. I want to get it on a lift so I can figure out where that rattle is coming from. actually the muffler. I think it's coming from inside the muffler. Door check doesn't work. There it is. The new car sick drift project. Gotta say, I'm a little excited. I'm a little excited for this. It's got some issues I gotta work out, but I mean, what car doesn't? Hola.
¿Cómo está, muchacho?
You like gyros?
Gyro?
We're gonna go to Oh My Gyro in a little bit.
Gyro?
Yeah. Oh, look at the old school white hard backpacks in there. This guy. Bam! Oh, I got my toolbox. I'm just kind of just a little bit of a nerd. You're gonna have a hell of a time.
I'm gonna organize all this shit. This is not.
You're gonna have a hell of a time.
Still need to organize these things.
Carrying this stuff if you go to a junkyard.
This isn't the junkyard box.
Oh,
You got
not?
the junkyard box.
You wanna see my new car?
You really?
Yeah.
For show? For realsies?
Miata's gone. The yachter is gone. Ready? You mean to spot you, bro? Lift! Lift! Bugs.
I saw one on the way here and I was like, huh. I wonder if that's it.
Whoop-pow!
Ooh, that's nice.
Whoop-pow!
Batman sounds.
Pew pew! I mean, it runs pretty good. I think it'd make a pretty good drift car. It's the muffler's rattly. Needs more angle. The clutch is weird. That exhaust has gotta. Wanna drive it?
I've never driven a Z before.
Well, you're in luck, my friend. Ooh. Ooh.
I gotta hold on. Give me a minute. Cause do you want me to just do it quick?
Do what?
I just need to take it in. It's gonna take me a minute to realize what I'm doing.
Why? It's just a car.
It's more than a car, Steven.
Oh, I like the sound of those clickers. No, it's not. It's just a car. Look. Oh, they screwed the glove box shut. Or is that not even a glove? Is that a glove box?
Actually, you kind of do need a glove box for your race clothes. Here's a glove box.
There's like compartments back here.
Ooh, I like this one. That one's cool. Oh, there you go, yeah. Helmet box. Oh, there's seatbelts. They're so much better than the Miata.
They are a lot better. The seat is loose, though. I gotta figure that out. How come every car I get has a loose seat?
Am I never gonna get my glasses back?
They're mine now. Oh well. Oh well. The
Can we go
AC.
spin it around in the dirt over there? In that dirt lot?
What dirt lot? I mean, I guess I haven't even chirped the tires yet. And you want to drift my car before me?
Do I need to turn traction control off or something?
I don't know. Does this thing have traction control?
Does it need it?
I mean, it might have.
Does it stop?
I mean, it's not the Brembo brakes, but
Dirt lot?
it's a mud lot. It's closed. They're working on it now. That thing was just an empty field forever and ever, and now they're working on
There's
it.
nobody in there. Ooh, that
Try
rocks.
it.
Those rocks, though.
It says no trespassing. You get stuck right here. I think it's an open diff.
Something. It's the windows.
It's a rally car.
Throwing it doesn't help.
That's just weird.
Yeah, I'm not doing it right, I don't think. Because it does not feel right.
I haven't gone through it yet at all.
Oh, really?
Just got it
Should I
2
not
seconds ago.
do?
Probably not. I think it needs oil. It's a little low on oil. I'm gonna at least do that first. Put oil in it.
Well, I'm used to doing maintenance. Somebody else's job.
So,
Oh, I mean, a backfire.
yeah, a little after fire.
Peeper popper.
That's the burble tune. Oh god. I think I'll leave the stock suspension for a while.
I think you should.
Just weld the diff, get steering rack spacer, tie rod spacers. I think the power might be a little down. I don't know.
Yeah, it's definitely down. So it needs a tune or
A Z tune. What do they call those?
Maybe mass airflow.
Yeah, I'm
That's
thinking.
usually pretty common.
I think that's. Actually, you know what? Now that I think about it, does this thing even have a mass airflow? Because it's got an intake on it. It might have just deleted it. It stalls once in a while.
That's what that sounds like.
Pop the hood.
Pop it in here.
Zoom.
Oh, the Subaru.
Oh yeah, it's got a mass
70.
airflow. Could be bad though. You know what else I was noticing? I checked the oil and I had some kind of purple fluid all over my rag. I'm like, what is that?
Ew.
The
Head gasket?
no oil from the the air filter. So there's dripping off of there. So maybe they just oiled up the mass airflow and it got it all running.
It's dirty.
Just clean the mass airflow and
put money on that one.
put new plugs and.
And you're missing a cap. That's going to cause an issue.
Mhm.
That's your engine light. That's the oiled air filter, right? That's what that.
That's why it's all
Don't
wet
you wish
under there,
YouTube
too.
had that? You could get the smells.
Smell-o-vision.
Hey YouTube, check the smell for.
Oh, that radiator cap's hot.
Plastic.
Somebody had a
Is there some smoke or something?
somebody had a sound system. This is silver.
You should get rid of this glass. You don't need glass in a drift car.
Lexan party. Ain't no party like a Lexan party.
Because the Lexan party don't break.
Stick it there.
No, you can't see it. Put it down below.
Here. Here.
Yes.
There.
Me, yeah.
There. I don't really
Oh.
like anywhere.
I don't
I'll
like.
do that.
I'm not a big fan of quarter rears, but is that silver?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's
Or
do
yellow. You could do yellow. I got yellow.
Red.
Red.
It's got red taillights. I'll do silver.
Silver.
It's
Oh, your speaker's falling out too.
it's an 03.
Well, that's not bad. Infinity wheels.
Yeah, it's got G35 wheels.
Gee, fly like it. G35.
Are these your sunglasses?
Oh, those are mine.
Oh.
Yeah! Oh, it's a different color. It's silver. That's gray. Should have done red. Alright, so you can see me coming and going. It's not a drift car without stickers, man.
Oh, yes. I'm gonna make so many stickers.
Oh, fingers?
Fingers ain't fingering.
Fingers ain't fingering.